Japan, and more recently in the Eastern Mediterranean, to anti-piracy in the Indian Ocean and humanitarian assistance wherever disaster occurs, most recently marked by the role of the Aegis destroyer Samson and the littoral combat ship Fort Worth in the search for the remains of Air Asia Flight 8501. Now let me make some observations. First, I have to tell you what you already know, but something that should never be taken for granted. Ours is the most powerful naval force in the world. From the Standard missile fired from the vertical launchers on Aegis cruisers and destroyers, to Super Hornets launched from the deck of a Nimitz-class carrier, to precision strike by Tomahawks launched from the tubes of SSGNs, to persistent ISR close inshore by Virginia submarines or overhead by long-range patrol aircraft and unmanned systems, to amphibious assault by Marines launched from the back of an MV-22. Our sailors and Marines possess overmatching capability against today's threat throughout the world. Second, our superiority at sea demands that we maintain superiority in technology, science, engineering. Tens of thousands of engineers working across our systems commands, warfare centers, research centers, labs, and throughout like institutions in industry are working to develop the technologies and systems, perform the design and engineering, and ultimately build, test, and field the next generation capabilities that will ensure we maintain our superiority at sea. Just prior to the holidays, I had the opportunity to tour the DDG-1000 in construction at Bath Iron Works, followed the next day by a visit to get eyes on the air and missile defense radar in development at Raytheon. Incredible technology. From there, a short drive to Electric Boat, where the Navy and industry are developing the Virginia payload module to replace the strike capacity of the SSGNs as they retire next decade. While right down the hall from there, we're designing our highest priority program, the Ohio Replacement Submarine. Meanwhile, at Newport News, as we complete construction and testing of the remarkable first-of-class capabilities going to the CVN-78, the Gerald R. Ford, our first new design aircraft carrier since the Nimitz herself, we start construction of her sister ship, CVN-79, the John F. Kennedy. From the Gulf Coast to the West Coast, we're testing and fielding